Hey, this is Sampath. You are watching Sampath Sound Effects channel. Let's begin this video. Today I am going to review this Realme Buds Classic earphones. It's our semi-in-ear type of earphones. I am using this earphones from past 1 month, almost 1 month, and they have given specifications 14.2 mm large driver and deeper, richer bass, music and video playback control, answer and calls, and HD microphone is included, and built-in cable organizer. As you can see, I am using this earphones from last 1 month. You can see, I think these are like half earbuds. It comes in this style, and this is the cable organizer what they are telling. And coming to build quality, the material they used for this is very good. There are two colors of these earphones, one is white and the other one is this black one. I like personal black color. White also looks appealing actually, but again it will become dirt also very easily. These wires, like from earphones to up to this microphone, these are little bit thinner, but this quality is, after that this quality is very good. If you can see, I think, yes. And these are not in-ear type like we'll get all these times. Like for in Realme only we have Realme Buds 2. They are completely in-ear. I mean, we'll get rubber tips in front of this earphone. This is completely made up of plastic. As you can see, it fits completely fine. No problem with that. Fitting is perfect. And this is like cable organizer. If you want to use, like if you want to make it like this and use this cable organizer and fit like this such that it won't be tangled. Anyhow, this wire is not tangling type, it is tangle free, but still they have given this cable organizer. That's good. And this is the jack, and this material is also plastic, not rubber. After a few days it won't come out of the tip, so nice thing. And this is silver plated. If it had gold plated it would have been better, and also not angled one, it's straight. But anyhow, the material used is very good, the wire quality. And we also have this microphone and a button over. In that manner it is good, and overall build quality and everything, comfort, everything is super fine. These are just, I got it for 299 rupees, but currently it's available for 399, and at that price and even the 300 price point, this is very good earphones for build quality. And while taking calls, I have never had any problem. Like it does not make any noise cancellation or like that, but taking calls and answering the calls, I never noticed any problem. Yes, if you move outside and like crowded places, you might be seeing some noise adding into your voice when other party listens it, but mostly in this budget point every earphones comes with similar kind of microphone only. They mentioned it as a HD microphone. Yes, it is HD only. You'll get crystal clear voice from it. And now coming to this like main thing, that is sound quality. I use this for like gaming, listening music, even Hotstar, like Big Boss shows, Telugu and Tamil. I watch both. And even I play games like Call of Duty. There I never had any issues. I can clearly listen the, like, I mean, the stereo separation from left and right. They even written left and right. You have to make it clear and keep in your ears. And in that respect, I was telling about COD, Call of Duty Mobile. While I was playing, I can easily notice who are coming from left and who are coming from right. In that respect, these earphones are very good. And while listening music, I mean casual movies, or like, as I said, Hotstar, like that OTT apps, they sound really well. And while listening songs, all type of songs, like anything. These sounds fantastic in terms of highs, lows, mids, all are maintained very well for that price point. I mean 300 to 400 price point. These are very good earphones for sound quality also. And since they have mentioned in the box that it has 14.2 mm large driver, yes, it has that. And due to that or what else I don't know, the bass is excellent in this earphones. You will love the bass in these earphones. It's really good. And in this design, if you can see, there are two vents, one for a sound output, the other one I don't know what for it is given. With that you will get that immersive experience. The bass is enhanced very well in this earphone. If you are using like smartphones, you can customize. I am using Xiaomi phones and some Oppo, Samsung phones. There are customized the equalizer, and if you keep it in pop or dance or even rock type of settings, I will get the bass even enhanced. You will listen that type of more thumping bass. In that respect, these earphones are very good for gaming, for listening music. Everything is perfect for this price point. I am very happy with these earphones. I thought it sounded very good for this price point. I even use many different earphones, Sennheiser CX180 Street and JBL. Those cost little bit higher, but still this one have the bass more compared to those two earphones as I mentioned. Definitely in that respect, many will like this. And in terms of loudness, these are very good. I actually keep it like 40 to 50% of the volume to get loudness from these earphones. If you are traveling like that, you need to keep it like 70-80%, even 100%. Loudness, in terms of loudness also, these are very good. Yes, I never had any problems. And now coming, like, I thought like Realme is a smartphone brand, what they will make better in audio. I thought like that before using this, but after listening to the music, I have surprised the audio quality and even the material quality used for this wire. All are together very good at this price point for 300 or 400 rupees. These are the best earphones you can buy currently in this market. And I did not notice any cons. Maybe for some people, since it's a plastic material used here, this might be painful for some people, but as of now I did not notice any paining or like that, because you have to keep like this. If you keep like this, it will definitely pain. But anyhow, that is the minor con. For few people you may notice that pain. And overall, these earphones are best for headphone jack lovers. These are very good, especially for gamers. That separation of left and right, and even while listening music, I got that instrument separation. And if the songs are very good like that, the separation from left to right, stereo separation, those things are very good and perfect for music lovers. At this price point of 300 rupees, I got it. Currently you will get it for 400. If you get it for 300, go and buy this. This is the best earphones. Choose your favorite color. And this is the Realme Buds Classic review. If you like this video, give a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the notifications, and share the video for similar kind of videos. Do subscribe it and you will get similar kind of videos from my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.